Okay, here's the instructions how to do the spa. So this container right here has a bunch of strips that before you stick them in the water look like this. And after you do, they look like this. So you try and match the doohickeys, with this respective coloring. So right now you're seeing the water a little bit hard, the pH probably a little bit high, but for sure the chlorine is way down. So we have stuff here, Activate, which kind of works like chlorine, and then we have chlorine itself. So you don't want to put too much in or your skin will kind of itch. But so the first thing we're going to do is we'll put some chlorine in, and then we will probably put in a little bit to bring the alkalinity down. So let me see, or the pH down, actually, what we were talking about here. So pH looks a little kind of like it's about, say, up in the 8s, and we want it down in the 7s. So here we go. This is about half a scoop of chlorine. So throw that in there with the pumps going, see how that goes. And then probably one of these big silver scoops of alkaline down. So all right, here we go. Well, there's the water. Usually takes a little while to mix up, but we'll go ahead because I'm in a hurry and take your little strip here and see if there's any change. 1/100,000, 2/100,000, and stick it next to our strip. All right, so you see that brought the chlorine way up. Probably it's not as high as all that because I put the chlorine right here near this side of the spa, and it's yet to mix around through the whole thing. But that definitely means there's enough chlorine in there to do the job. And then let's look at the alkalinity. The pH doesn't seem to have really gone down any, but you know what, I'm not going to keep messing with that. Well, actually, I'll put one more scoop of that pH down in. Hey boo, how are you doing? All right, pH down. Here's your scoop. Here's your pH down. So another scoop of that. And all right. So that's where we are, but go ahead and very carefully, always be sure to take a strip out and close the lid, because if you get any of the water in there, it'll ruin all the strips and you got to buy a whole new thing.